Hello, Gunelle is here. In this video, we'll go through present perfect continuous tense form. We use present perfect continuous tense form when we talk about actions that started in the past and has continued up to the present. The structure of the sentence gonna be subject plus have has plus been plus verb in present participle form, means the root of the verb with ing. Let's look at examples. I have been working, you have been working, he has been working, she has been working, it has been working. We have been working, you have been working, they have been working. This time tense is commonly used with the adverbs since and for. Since is used to indicate the starting point of the action, for example, since 2017, while for is used with the length of time, for 5 years. In the interrogative form, auxiliary word have changed its position to the beginning of the sentence. So the question sentence is gonna be like, have I been working? Have you been working? Has he been working? Has she been working? Has it been working? Have we been working? Have you been working? Have they been working? In order to put the sentences into negative form, we have to add not after have has. For example, I haven't or I have not been working, so I am not tired. It hasn't or it has not been working, so the cooker is not warm. Now let's look at more examples. I have been waiting for this email for 5 days. Sam has been working as general manager since 2017. Has it been raining since early morning? Have you been living in Baku since your childhood? Now it's your turn. Write sentences in present perfect continuous form and put in the comment line. Bye bye!